David D. Numbered 45 out of 50. And the finale of the 5-box case of the Prime signature. Here we go, box number 1. For the Chiefs, Derek Johnson to 4.99. Broncos, John Elway to 4.99. Steelers, Joe Green, 19 out of 99. Going to Mo. And we have a printing plate auto. Grab a 1-touch. This one going to the Buccaneers of Vincent Jackson, a 101 printing plate auto. Bucks going to Ted. Congratulations, Ted. For the Falcons, Michael Turner to 4.99. Niners, Frank Gore to 4.99. Vikings, Fran Tarkenton to 4.99. And a rookie on-card auto jumbo patch, 20 out of 25. Got 1-touch for that one. This one, the Ravens going to Tad tonight. Congratulations. Nice looking pitch. Again, 20 out of 25. For the Niners, Patrick Willis to 4.99. Jets, Tim Tebow to 4.99. Rams, Sam Bradford, 30 out of 49. Going to Brian F. And what do we have here? Let's grab a 1-touch for this one. We have something special. Triple autograph. It'll go to the top team, the Niners. We have Ronnie Lott, Deion Sanders, and Rod Woodson, numbered 4 out of 5. Very cool. This one going to Mo. Huge hit, Mo. Congratulations. Team Knicks to 4.99. Joe Green to 4.99. Niners, Jerry Rice to 99. Going to Mo. And a rookie auto for the Seahawks, Bobby Wagner. 67 out of 199. Going to Mo. And last box for tonight. We have a bonus hit in this one for the Saints. Archie Manning to 499. Pierre Garcon to 499. Tom Brady to 99. Going to Ted. Lions rookie auto Riley Reef. 37 out of 49. Going to Robert P. And rookie on-card auto Brock Osweiler for the Broncos. 198 out of 199. Going to Mo. That'll do it for the Wednesday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow at halftime. Got a few spots left, so take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.